Hey guys, Galaxy are all set to launch the new smartphone Galaxy S24 series tomorrow, and here are the top 15 changes we are seeing in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S24 series, Samsung offering 7 years of One UI updates. Next, you can remove any object from your picture has Google Pixel 8 series. The primary camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra is significantly updated, potentially output 48 megapixel photo by default compared to the previous 12 megapixel. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to offering the best 8K video experience on the market. The main sensor can be shoot 8K video at 30 fps. There have a new 50 megapixel 5x zoom camera, and that will be allow 8K video at 5x zoom. The 5x zoom sensor is not just for a video, it will also enable to portrait zoom picture, offering a portrait mode shoot at 1x to 5x portrait picture. The Galaxy S24 Ultra to be the world's first smartphone come with Gorilla Glass armor, providing a significant improvement in durability, and the titanium frame in addition to add a more premiumness, also more lightweight and durable compared to aluminum frame. Next, live translator. Galaxy S24 series come with a built-in live translator option, and the Galaxy S24 series also come with a 2600 nits peak brightness. Next, circle it, find it option. Search any image, video or text on your screen. Circle, highlight or tap the point what you want. No screenshot necessary. And the Galaxy S24 series you can get free storage option. Galaxy S24 Ultra come with a new ISO 200 megapixel main camera. You can get highest 100x super zoom, and you also record 8K videos. Galaxy S24 Ultra also come with new AI features. Samsung already launched Samsung new AI technology, Samsung Gowns. You can generate any picture and apply your home and lock skin. And S24 Ultra also come with built-in AI technology chat box, and out of the box the phone running Android 14 with One UI 6.1, and you also get a new option called battery protection. It's help you to control your battery charging capacity. But S24 Ultra hands-on video are also revealed. Check this video to learn more about Galaxy S24 series. Make sure you like this video and subscribe for more content, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.